With the blessings of God, the most merciful, this is Amir Sultan, QHSC Business International Chief Executive Officer, CEO. I hope you are following my videos. Today I will be talking on chapter number 292. Before I proceed to chapter number 292, I would like all of you to subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell button after viewing the ad. Moreover, follow me on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn and Twitter. Thank you so much. Chapter number 292 is about fire extinguishers check sheet. This is very important and imperative and sometimes missing in many parts of the organization. Basically, fire extinguisher check sheet is a sheet which is designed specifically to check the fire extinguisher properly. For instance, the check sheets my company make for the companies for which I work or the companies which give me the orders for their work is consist of the following elements. The main have first of all the structure, the heading of the check sheet comes on file stations check sheet. Then start with the in the Excel serial number, followed by the date, followed by the description of the file extinguisher, followed by the location of the file extinguisher, followed by the uh, gauge condition, followed by the lever condition, followed by the pipe condition, followed by the month, what month we are checking that, followed by the comments and recommendation. These are few of the things which I've told you. The sheet which my company makes for our clients all over the world, wherever the orders comes down for my ISO work and all other related to QHSE field. So in this field sheet, what is basically it is the helpful thing is that when of the personnel go and fill up this sheet for each of the location, this sheet is maintained and updated about the status of the fire extinguisher. To add on, there is one more element which I forgot to tell about the fire extinguisher check sheet is the expiry of the fire extinguishers. That need to be validity column should also be added. So in this way, this sheet is appropriate and complete. And when the personals move around the vicinity of the organization, wherever they are placed, they check and verify it according to the guidelines given. And this sheet at least be checked at least once a month by a personnel which is HSC in charge or HSC inspector, HSC safety officer or HSC manager, whoever is. But they need to be checked very properly and given that result to the head of that HSC person to see what is the condition of the fire extinguishers over there. For instance, an organization is having around 200 fire extinguishers. Okay, it's very difficult to check that fire extinguishers on per day basis or every second day. So when the inspector or the team of HSC goes around and check those 200 fire extinguishers in the organizations which are marked in the job card from 1 to 200, they found during checking that check sheet that out of 200, 3 or 4 fire extinguishers were not working well. Either their lever is wet, the lever is damaged, one of the pipes is damaged, one is gauge is not right, one fire extinguisher is empty, for example. So in this case, what happens actually, when that sheet comes down to the head of the HSC after 1 month, after the thorough HSC team goes around the vicinity, the personnel, the HSC head takes the action about that and replicate and the damaged parts of the fire extinguishers which are found to make them again ready and valid for any sort of anarchy or ambiguity of fire going to happen in that organization. So in this way, the checking comes down to give a complete added advantage to the organization. So in this way, fire extinguishers are maintained at all times in the organizations, and in case of any anarchy or fire or sort of things, these fire extinguishers can be used properly to mitigate and to completely eliminate those fire incidents. If you need more details, summary, analysis, repeats, recommendation, you can contact me from anywhere in the world at +92 335 734 7400, and you can reach me on my another number at +92 314-639-7990. And you can reach me on my 3 emails at amirsultanrana@yahoo.com. Second email is amirsultanrana1@gmail.com. Third email is contact@qhsebusinessinternational.com. And even you can reach me on my company website at www.qhsebusinessinternational.com. Thank you so much.